Today I'm going to show you how to join in the round invisibly, or as close as you can get. To do this, you need to cast on one extra stitch than your pattern calls for. What we're going to do is we're going to slip one stitch directly over from the left-hand needle to the right, and that extra stitch we cast on, we're going to use it like we do in bind off, and just take it and slip it over the stitch we put over here. And now we're going to move that stitch that we slipped right back over to the left-hand needle. And at this point, we're going to take our tail and our working yarn, and we're going to pull as hard as we can to close up that gap. And then start knitting into that first stitch again. And here I am, almost back to where I started that join. Right here, you might want to tug on your tail again, help tighten it up even more. Let me do a couple of stitches past this. And you can see here how that line between the join is nice and smooth. There's no jog whatsoever.